Tuscaloosa man charged in the death of his 22-month-old son is scheduled to appear in court today.
It happened last week in Cobb County, Georgia. That's where Justin Ross Harris says he forgot to drop his son off at daycare on his way to work. WIAT reporter Parrish Olivan has more on what's going on today. Parrish?
Stephen and Gina, when Ross Harris goes to court today, he and his attorney will ask for bond, and they will also be having a probable cause hearing. That's about the same thing as a preliminary hearing. It's where the state presents evidence and witnesses, and a judge will decide whether there is enough probable cause to keep moving forward in this case or whether it should be tossed out. We've been following this story closely since the very beginning, so here's a timeline of what has happened so far in this investigation.
June 18th, Justin Ross Harris pulls into this shopping center parking lot in Cobb County, Georgia. Witnesses here call police, and police say Harris told them he was supposed to drop his son Cooper off at daycare before work that morning, but forgot. He then tells police he realized the mistake on his way home. Harris is arrested, and an arrest warrant released by the Cobb County Court states Harris stopped at Chick-fil-A that morning, less than a mile from his job at Home Depot's corporate office. He ate with his son, then put the child back into the SUV according to that warrant. The warrant also states Harris went back to his car during lunch and placed something inside through the driver's side door. Then about a week later, investigators announced they have evidence of an internet search on Harris's work computer. The search, how long it takes for animals to die in a hot car. Ross Harris is charged with murder and second-degree child cruelty. Today, he is scheduled to appear in court for a probable cause hearing, where a judge will decide if there is enough evidence and probable cause for the case against Ross Harris to keep moving forward.
In cases like this, it is the defense's right to ask for a probable cause hearing. The public information officer I spoke with at the Cobb County DA's office says really it can only benefit the defense. They get to see what evidence the prosecution has so far, and they'll have the chance to argue that the case should be dropped.